Photoreceptors in the eye are present in the retina. In the retina, there contains photoreceptors such as rod cell and cone cell. And these rod cell and cone cells are present in the yellow spot, and these two photoreceptors are absent in the blind spot. Rod cells are more in number than the cone cells. The rod cells contain the visual pigment called rhodopsin. This pigment is formed from a protein named opsin and retinal, where the retinal is a derivative of vitamin A. The peculiarity of rod cell is the objects can be visible in the dim light. These cells cannot detect color. Next is the cone cell. The cone cell has cone in shape. It contains a pigment called photopsin, and it is also called iodopsin. This pigment is also composed of opsin and retinal. In the cone cells, there are three types of cone cells in our eyes, which helps to detect the three primary colors of light such as red, blue and green. These differences in the primary colors is due to the difference in the amino acid in the opsin molecules. So, the cone cell provides us with color vision. Our next topic is the chemistry of vision in the retina. Watch this video. Rod cells and cone cells are the photoreceptors in the retina. Rod cells are responsible for the vision in the dim light. The cells cannot detect the color. The cone cells are responsible for vision in bright light. Color visions are possible. Rod cells contain visual pigment called rhodopsin. Cone cells contain visual pigment called photopsin. In dim light, rhodopsin present in the rod cell dissociate into opsin and retinal. This chemical changes helps in the formation of impulses. In the absence of light, these opsin and retinal combines to form rhodopsin. In the bright light, photopsin dissociate into opsin and retinal. This chemical change forms in the formation of impulses. Opsin and retinal combines together to form photopsin. The action of photopsin and rhodopsin are reversible. These impulses are transmitted to the cerebrum through optic nerve, and this enables vision. Our next topic is the binocular vision. Look at the picture carefully. The images from two sides of the same object are formed in the left and right eye. When these two images combine as a result of the activities of the brain, a three-dimensional image of the object is formed. This is called binocular vision. Next is the defects and diseases affecting the eye. First one is the night blindness. The night blindness is due to the deficiency of vitamin A, result in the low production of retinal. This in turn prevents the resynthesizing of rhodopsin. In this condition, objects cannot be seen clearly in the dim light, and this disease is called the night blindness. Second one, xerophthalmia. If there is a prolonged deficiency of vitamin A, the conjunctiva and cornea becomes dry and opaque. This causes xerophthalmia, which leads ultimately to blindness. Is the color blindness. The color blindness is due to the deficiency of cone cells in the retina. In the cone cells, there contains three primary colors such as red, blue and green. Some persons cannot distinguish green and red colors due to the defect of corn cells. This condition is called color blindness. Fourth one, glaucoma. Aqueous humor is a fluid which nourishes the tissues in the eye. If the reabsorption of aqueous humor doesn't occur, it causes an increase in the pressure inside the eye. This causes damage to the retina and the photoreceptor cells and ultimately leads to blindness. This defect is called glaucoma and it can be rectified by laser surgery. Next one is a cataract. This is a condition in which the lens of the eyes become opaque, resulting in blindness. This can be rectified by replacing the lens with an artificial one through surgery. Last one is the conjunctivitis. This is an infection of the conjunctiva. The causative organism may be bacteria, virus, etc. This disease is transmitted through contact and can be prevented by maintaining a personal hygiene.